Salam, esmeman Christina. Now I just said that my name is Christina because that is one of the only Afghan phrases I know. And why am I speaking the Afghan language all of a sudden? It's because today we're going to bake something that is relatively Afghan. And I'm going to bake almond cake, which is mentioned in the Kite Runner. Now I'm sure that most people know what the Kite Runner is about, but I will still explain the plot very briefly to you. So what happens here is that there is Amir, the main character, and he is a Pashtun boy living in Afghanistan. And then there is Hassan, who is a Hazara boy, and the two boys form a very special friendship together. The story takes a twist when Amir kind of betrays his friend Hassan by doing him a terrible wrong. And later Amir and his father escape to the United States to escape the Soviet invasion. Amir just leaves Hassan in Afghanistan to a terrible fate by the Taliban. However, later on, Amir goes back to Afghanistan because he wants to pay for what he did to Hassan, and he goes to search for Hassan's son. At this point in the book is when he meets a hobo on the streets of Peshawar, and this hobo tells Amir about his mom. That's weird because Amir never knew his mother because she died giving birth to him, but this random hobo on the street of Afghanistan knows his mom. But anyways, this is what the hobo says about Amir's mom. He says, "We used to sit and talk after class. The last time was on a rainy day just before final exams when we shared a marvelous slice of almond cake together. Almond cake with hot tea and honey. She was rather obviously pregnant by then, and all the more beautiful for it. I will never forget what she said to me that day." "What? Please tell me." "She said, 'I'm so afraid because I'm so profoundly happy, Dr. Russell. Happiness like this is frightening.' I asked her why, and she said, 'They only let you be this happy if they're preparing to take something from you.'" So that is the almond cake we are going to be baking today. I'm pretty sure that my recipe for almond cake is not like the Afghan recipe, but I couldn't find one, so I'm just gonna improvise an almond cake recipe I have to recreate the cake from the Kite Runner. Okay, let's get started. The ingredients you need are almonds, eggs, sugar, and an orange. And the first step is to pour hot water onto the almonds and let it rest. And then spread out the almond slices onto a tray lined with parchment paper and let it bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Peel the skin off of the almonds, they should slip off nicely, and place the almonds onto a plate lined with paper towel. Pat the almonds dry, and then grind them in a food processor until fine. So this is like you creating your own almond meal. Now zest the orange. I didn't have a lemon zester, so I just peeled the skin off of the orange and cut it into pieces. And then beat the egg yolks and the sugar in a bowl until pale, light, and fluffy. Do this at high speed with your hand mixer for about 5 minutes. So once the mixture becomes like this, add the orange zest and fold it in. Then pour in the almond meal and fold that in as well. Once that is all incorporated, you can add the egg whites into a clean bowl and beat with a hand mixer until stiff peaks form. Take a spoonful of this meringue and place it into the almond batter and fold until incorporated. And then take the batter and pour it back into the meringue bowl and fold that in until incorporated. Make sure that you do not deflate the egg whites too much or else you will not have an airy cake. So pour the batter into the pan. Please line the bottom. I didn't do that and that was terrible. Then bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. The ingredients you need for the topping are butter, sugar, cinnamon, honey, almond slices, and heavy cream, which I forgot to put here. The first step is to melt the butter in a saucepan, and then add all the rest of the ingredients, including the almond slices, the honey, the cinnamon and the heavy cream, and then boil this at low heat to the center and turn off the heat. And then spread this almond topping on top of the baked cake. The cake will have sunken in the middle a bit, but that is natural. Now run a knife along the edge of the cake and unmold it and transfer it onto a plate. The topping consists of a honey syrup, so you do need to give it time to set. But meanwhile, you can prepare the hot tea, and once the cake is set, you're free to slice into it and enjoy. This shot is from the next day. If you leave the cake to set, then the slices will be cleaner. I'm really satisfied with this cake because there is a pop of flavor from the orange zest, and combined with the cinnamon and the honey and the crunchy almond slices on the top, it is a delicious combination. So I hope you enjoyed the cake and enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Oh wait, I know another Afghan phrase. Khuda Hafiz.